Alright, what's up guys? So I got my new camera. It's HD. And I got also a Prophecy with a speed feed from my local store. It's pretty sweet. So today it's just an update of what I have. So you just saw it. Yeah. Alright, so as you guys know, I got the DIUL. I got some Reballs, my Geo, and today I'm going to be doing the Rotor Reball test. So, alright, so as you guys can see, it's Reballs. The closest. Alright. Oops. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is HD. So I said that, but you guys should definitely watch it in HD. It'll look pretty sick. So this is Reball test number 1. Alright, so that was number 1. There's no jams at all. Alright, so here is here is Rotor number 2. Alright. Again, no jams. I turned the tension up on this a little bit, maybe 3 or 4 turns. Not much, but that might make the difference. That would actually probably make it jam more. Alright, so this is number 3. Alright, no jams again, so here's number 4. Alright, so you guys just saw the Rotor Reball test. I'll do some shooting with it. I just have no air right now. Also, look forward to the Empire Prophecy Reball test. I'll show you it right now. Oh. Alright. So, this is the Empire Prophecy that I got. Speed feed's actually amazing, better than the Rotor one. But I plan to get the Virtue Crown for the Rotor. So that's it. Look forward to the Empire Prophecy Reball test. And yeah.